once upon a time, in a little town in Italy, there was a small shop owner who owed a lot of money to a scary moneylender. This moneylender was old and not very nice, and he had his eye on the shop owner's daughter. The moneylender made a strange deal with the shop owner. He would forgive the debt if he could marry the daughter. Of course, the shop owner didn't like this idea at all. So, the moneylender came up with a test. He put 2 stones in a bag, one black and one white. If the daughter picked the black stone, she'd have to marry him, but if she picked the white one, she'd be free. The daughter noticed that the moneylender had put 2 black stones in the bag, but she had a plan. When it was her turn to pick, she pretended to drop the stone by accident. She told the moneylender to look in the bag to see which stone was left. Since only the black stone was left, the moneylender had to pretend it was white to keep his secret. The daughter saved her father from the debt without having to marry the moneylender. This story shows that sometimes, using your brain can help you find a way out of difficult situations. Thanks for watching.